In this video we will learn how to draw a circle with Python Turtle. First, import the Turtle library. Next, store the constructor method named Turtle in a variable named t, so you'll just use t instead of a turtle.turtle. Turtle.screen is used to display a canvas in which you can draw your graphics. The circle function from the Turtle library allows to draw a circle of any radius. The circle's radius is indicated by the number in brackets. By altering the circle's radius value, you can make it larger or smaller. Now, think about a group of circles that have a common tangent. A tangent is a line that touches the circumference of a circle from outside at a point, provided that any extension of the line will not cause intersection with the circle. First define the radius of the smallest circle, r equals 10, next, set the number of circles, n equals 10. Finally, use a for loop. Inside that, call the circle function passing it the radius, r multiplied by I. Spiral is a shape similar to a circle, except that the radius of the spiral gradually increases after every completed round. Here's the Python program to demonstrate spiral circle drawing. Taking radius of initial radius. Loop for printing spiral circle.